ERi-TV. I'm Barsaba Takhla, beginning this broadcast with the major headlines for today. Seminar on effective urban planning introduction in Mandafera. Awards presented to outstanding students in the Central Region. Guinea bans single-use plastic. And a 5.8 magnitude quake hits near coast of central Chile. A seminar focused on introducing effective urban planning was organized for engineers and sub-zone administrators in Mandafera on 20 September. Mr. Alim Saged Gabrakidan, an urban planning expert, emphasized that construction activities in both villages and cities should account for future needs and all sectors of society. He highlighted that strategic planning must consider geographical landscapes and related factors, warning that developing villages and cities without conducting thorough research can impede their progress. Mr. Alim Saged called for increasing participation from all relevant institutions and partners in the planning process. Mr. Habta Abtesfatian, governor of the southern region, stressed that engineers responsible for specific areas must ensure that the standard of buildings and infrastructure in cities is upheld. He urged the enforcement of legal measures to control the irresponsible use of land and resources. Participants in the seminar called for ongoing public awareness campaigns to enhance understanding of land use. Barka High School in the Central Region presented awards to 61 outstanding students in recognition of their exceptional performance in the 2023-2024 National School Living Examinations. The awardees are members of the 36th round of the National Service. Mr. Samara Gabraluul, the school's director, stated that the award recipients include 30 students who achieved a GPA of 4.0 and 31 who achieved GPAs ranging from 3.6 to 3.8. He stressed that the school has a moral obligation to acknowledge the achievements of its top students. Mr. Johannes Salamun, head of secondary schools in the region, encouraged the students to maintain their hard work as they pursue higher education, highlighting that a bright future is built on today's efforts. He urged them to remain competitive and strive for success in their future endeavors. Mr. Girmay Andu, head of the education office in northeastern Asmara, attributed the students' success to the strong collaboration between students, parents, and teachers. He called on the awardees to look forward to their bright future and work diligently to achieve their goals. The awardees, expressing gratitude for the recognition and encouragement, pledged to continue working hard and remain competitive in their education pursuit. On your last local report, training on administration was provided to school directors, administration and finance heads and supervisors in Torona subzone on 13 and 14 September. The training covered topics such as activity planning, knowledge transfer methodology, and time management. Mr. Suleiman Mahmoud, head of educational facilities in the subzone, urged teachers to identify students' problems and weaknesses and address them accordingly. He also called on parent committees to strengthen their participation in supporting these efforts. Additionally, a seminar on controlling communicable diseases was held in Torona. Nurse Akhlilu Yohannes, head of health facilities in the subzone, emphasized that environmental sanitation plays a significant role in safeguarding public health. He also provided an extensive briefing on waterborne diseases and malaria. We'll be back shortly with your international reports and more, dear viewers, so please stay tuned. Welcome back. A decree was issued on Saturday in Guinea banning the manufacturing, import, sale, and use of single-use plastic packaging and products across the country. The decree issued by the Guinean president aims to promote public health, promote biodegradable packaging, and tackle pollution and environmental hazards. The ban, which covers plastic bags, exo-degradable plastics, and other plastic-containing items, applies to all producers, importers, and individuals or businesses involved in using single-use plastic in commercial, industrial, artisanal, or professional activities. The decree also prohibits the disposal of plastic packaging in streets, public areas, bodies of water, or natural environments, both in urban and rural areas. However, exceptions are made for plastics used in medical, agriculture, and military operation, as well as garbage collection and packaging for water and other liquids. Violators could face penalties such as business closure, product seizure, and fines. On today's final report, an earthquake with a magnitude of 5.8 jolted the near coast of central Chile on Monday. The GFC German Research Center for Geosciences reported this. The epicenter, with a depth of 90.3 kilometers, was initially determined to be at 29.67 degrees south latitude and 71.35 degrees west longitude. The viewers, and now recap of the major headlines. Seminar on effective urban planning introduction in Mendefera. Awards presented to outstanding students in the Central Region. Guinea bans single-use plastic. And a 5.8 magnitude quake hits near coast of central Chile. That was it for today, dear viewers. Thanks for watching.